In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Miro to create a view-only board that you can easily share with your team or colleagues. Miro is a versatile online collaboration tool that can help streamline your projects, and sharing boards is an integral part of leveraging its full potential. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, we need to start by visiting the Miro login page. Simply open your browser and go to the Miro website, and you'll find the login option right there. This is your portal to access all your existing projects and boards, and if you're already a Miro user, this will be a familiar step for you. Once you're on the login page, select the option to continue with email. It's straightforward and allows you to access your account directly through your email credentials, giving you a secure and quick way to get started without any unnecessary steps. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here you will see a list of your existing boards. Select the board you wish to share by clicking on it. This will open the board in full view, allowing you to ensure that everything is set just as you need it before sharing with others. Now that you have your desired board open, look for the Share option, usually located at the top of the screen. The Share feature is incredibly handy for collaboration, and it's what allows you to determine who can see or edit your board. Click on this button and a new menu will appear with sharing options. From the Sharing menu, choose the Embed option. This is where you can adjust the settings for how your board will be shared. You'll find different settings that allow you to control the level of access others will have. For your purpose here, you'll want to select the View Only option. This setting ensures that those with access can view the board but not make any changes to it. After setting the board to View Only, it's time to either copy the embed code or the direct link. For simplicity, you might choose to copy the link. This link is your key to sharing access without compromising the content on your board. Once you have the link copied, you can paste it wherever necessary, whether it's in an email to your team or opening it in another browser tab for a quick review. This functionality makes sharing with colleagues around the globe or in your local office simple and efficient. And there you have it, a view-only board that retains its integrity while being accessible to everyone who needs to see it. This method keeps your work secure while enhancing collaborative opportunities. I hope this guide helps you streamline your workflow with Miro. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.